Alright, so we about to go meet up with Duby, aka Let It Do What It Do, at Morehouse. I'm dropping off a package to him. Been hitting me up. The brother been dedicated. And then go to the post office after that. You know what I mean? What up?
How you doing, man?
What, AKA, you see what I'm saying?
Appreciate you, man.
What's up, baby? I see you out here. Look, I see the beard coming through.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, longer,
I just need it right here, man.
Are you still doing
the derma roller?
Yeah.
I just need it to come down, man.
Yeah.
You got the wooden.
It should be in there.
And the hydration.
Everything should be in there, brother.
Yeah, I'll look at it.
Yeah, but you don't need. I'm only a couple stops away, so.
All right.
Let me get that mustard though. Let me get that DJ mustard.
Hold on, let me.
Nah.
I gotta document this real quick, for the gram. Hold on.
Let me get the DJ mustard right there. That's DJ mustard. He got the DJ mustard on.
I'm out here with the legend, man. You know what I'm saying? He just dropped off a package for me. You know what I'm saying? It's a lifestyle.
Hey, Uber. It's Uber delivery. We do Uber delivery.
I can dig it.
You know what I mean?
God. All right, man.
Only on special occasions though.
Only on special occasions?
Yeah, only for special people.
I couldn't wait that week and a half, man.
I already know.
Yeah, man. I just need my thing to connect at the bottom.
It will, bro. But the way you got it though is funky. I like the way you got it. The way the look.
For sure.
Cause it just go with the whole.
Fit. Right?
Yeah, bro. It's the whole thing.
Appreciate
you got the DJ mustard though.
Like you, man.
Nah, bro. I need to get them chains though.
You know what I'm saying?
We can get them chains though.
We can go shopping one day, bro.
Yeah.
We out here. I mean, I appreciate you, man.
All
for sure.
All right, Dub.
Yep.
All right,
hit
bro.
you about the ambassador thing too, bro.
Hit me. I see your email.
I haven't got the email, nah.
Send me your email address and then I'll send you an email today.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Yep.
All right, brother.
Appreciate that.
See
Thank you,
bro.
Yep. Now I'm about to drop these packages off at the post office. I need y'all to tap in. You know what I'm saying? Tap in. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, I'm looking for my key. Low key. You see, some people want things overnight. You know what I mean? Some people want it right now, instant gratification. But what I'm about to show you now is living proof that things don't come overnight. It's a process, right? It takes pieces and it may take people and it may take different tools for you to get to the goal. And even if you don't get to the goal, I guarantee you, you would have evolved into a better person just because you took the route, just because you had the intention. So let me show you this real quickly. You see that? Look at that, check that out. You see all those pieces? Look at that crane. To build this apartment right here that they're building, this apartment project, we got my man right here with the hard hat. They got my man right there. He working over there. Got my man over there. He's over there working as well. You know what I mean? They got my man right. They got 1, 2, 3 people right here. They got my man up there on the crane. And then you can hear all the noise and the commotion. It just shows you that. And look, everybody's using different tools. Everybody's using different tools. There's different tools. This is the same way when you're on the journey of this beer journey, when you're on this journey of this health, when you're on this journey of just wanting to accomplish things in life and get to the goals, it takes different tools. It's gonna take different steps. They're not gonna be able to do this tomorrow. This ain't gonna be done tomorrow. It's gonna take a process for them to get this done. But you know what? Once it's done, it's gonna look beautiful. Like champions, like they've completed something because they understood what went into this process. They had to do it from the dirt. They had to get into the dirt in order to make it work. So there's no overnight success. There's no magic bullet. It's only work. It's only you stand on the journey. We all gonna have different journeys, but we all trying to get to the same goal. But if you wanna build anything, if you wanna have a better looking beard, hair, skin, what it takes is pieces and parts. And everything is gonna take a different tool for certain things, right? You're gonna have different tools. It's gonna take different tools, and that's what it is all about. And it's gonna take time. It's a journey. It's a process. So enjoy the process of getting there. Don't be so quick to get there. Take your time with it. All right, we gotta go. All right, so made it back to the office. And when I came to the office, I got a really great surprise. Really great. It was just like a proud moment. It was like a moment where You know, you just see the child grow up and come into their own. They push through the barrier of, I can't do it, but I can do this. I can figure it out. I have the power to do it. And they figure it out on their own. Man, I wish I had 3 hands, because then I can use one hand to hold the phone, the other 2 to clap. So with that said, no further ado, let me introduce you guys to CC. There's CC right there, guys. CC is doing an amazing job, and I tell her all this all the time. If she sticks with us for the next 3 to 5 years, her life is going to change for the better. I promise that. So I'm documenting this because then we can see in the next 35 years where CC is, you know, where she goes. Now, you know, I mean, things happen, of course, in between, you know, opportunities come up, and we definitely want to make sure that she's always following her true endeavors in life.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. But let me get back to what we were most proud of. At least that's what I was. It's that she asked me a question. And I've always talked to CZ about this. She asked me a question. I'm like, look it up. Don't I, CZ? Tragically.
How do you do this? Did you search it in Google?
Yeah, did you Google it? Did you Google it? Exactly. I guarantee you, in the next several years, she's going to be telling somebody else who's going to be asking her questions. Can you help me this CC? Well, they probably ain't going to call her CC, but whatever. You know what I mean? Miss Chen, whatever she wants them to call her. They're going to be asking her questions, and she's going to be like, well, when I was coming up, you know what I'm saying, I had to look it up. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? That's going to be her story. She going to be real. She going to rely on that story. She going to probably sell books on that story. You know? So she looked up the how to do an Excel, how to code, and how to do the formulas for it. You know, and she's, you know, never really had a substantial amount of experience with it. So it was really her first time. And I come back after 3 hours of me going back and forth to the post office, you know, and dropping off some packages. You guys saw it, you know. I still got my jacket on, you know what I mean? Because I'm ready to go. Just because, you know, come back to the office and she says, B, guess what? I did it. I'm walking in. She watching the videos. I'm like, look at CC picking up some wisdom. You know what I'm saying? Some wisdom. You know, I came through. I went straight to the kitchen because I ain't eating all, you know, really practically all day since this morning. So I kept my jacket on. I was eating with my jacket on. You know what I mean? I ain't even get comfortable. I just had to swallow a salad. You know what I'm saying? And see, I come over here and see she done with the Excel form and figured out how to do the Excel. She's like, Joe told me to do an Excel. I don't know. And that's Joe's thing. Joe loves Excels. He excels at Excel. You know what I mean? So she did her thing. And I just wanted to say, you know what I'm saying, a little proud. You know what I'm saying, a little proudy proud. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
You sound dramatic.
I'm not. I'm just telling you how I feel. I can't express myself. It was a moment. It was like graduating. It's like seeing where your children graduate. You know, she graduated. She had a mini graduation. You feel me? She had a mini. Yeah, it was a mini graduation. But anywho, so I went to the post office. Thought I could use that box, but I found out I can't use that box because in order to use this free box, you have to have spent over $13 because that's how much the box costs. However, it's free. I know that's kind of like weird that I just said that it's free, but it costs.
Yeah, it's free to pick up, but you pay when you actually ship.
Yeah, but because we have our own shipping label, it's free for us. I'm glad that you threw that in there. That was a good one. Good alley hoops. You know what I'm saying? She just alley hooped it.
Flat rate boxes are weird.
And so, you know, so anyhow, so they gave us this box here that we got to ship off.
What?
Yeah. Gave us this box. She said it's free. It's like, it's free. She said, you can have this box. We're gonna put this. So we're gonna put this stuff. We shipping this over to, you know, across the friendly skies to see.
Okay.
So we gotta ship all this stuff. It won't fit in the package, as you can see. Anyhow, just wanted to kind of give you guys today. I'm working on recording more, and I gotta get back to quantity over quality, because quality keeps me from creating. Every time you create, it ain't like you're gonna get it right, but it's creation. When you're creating, there's no such thing as right or wrong. Sometimes I get in my perfectionist bag, and I gotta snap myself out of it, and I'll be creeping into it. It ain't like I jump into the bag. It's like 1 toe, 2 toes, 3 toes before, you know, I'm 10 toes down. So I gotta pull myself out of that, because it puts a restraint on me. And I don't wanna operate with restraints. I wanna operate with liberty and freedom to move and to do and to be in the moment. So for each and every one of you guys out there, don't let perfection stop you, because the more you can create, the more you'll be creative. And the more that you're creative, then you'll begin to sculpt and find your way through on this journey. But if you're always waiting for the right time, for the right situation, for the right scenario.
That's how a lot of creators are.
I know, yeah.
Like, they won't start something, or they won't start their YouTube channel unless they have like all the equipment.
All the equipment, yeah.
They won't start their online shop unless they have all the right clothes.
Right.
And it's like, you gotta start, bro.
You gotta start. Cause the one thing we all need is momentum.
Yeah.
It's momentum. Once you got the momentum, everything is going to seem like it's just coming together. Cause you got momentum. When you don't have momentum, everything seems like it's just all over the place. So I'm talking to myself, and if you can find that this conversation may relate to you, then take some and then leave some. That's all I gotta say. I'm signing out. This is your boy B. This is CC. Like I said, in 3 to 5 years, CC gonna be the boss, and somebody gonna be under her. She gonna have a team, and she gonna be doing her thing. You feel me? So, you know, I know CC got great aspirations, and I wanna see her, you know, go to the sky, and then go through the sky, get outer space, pick one of the planets she want to land on that planet. Oh, my fault. I got, you know, sometimes I get my brain, sometimes I'm just, she know I'm like this all day, every day. But this your boy B. You know what I'm saying? We signing out. This is November 2nd, 2018, and you already know. We out.